Hi, welcome to LunaView. I'm John, and today we're going to take a look at some parts I have. So we're going to start in my yellow box. I picked up at a yard sale. It had sewing stuff in it, so now it has, well, we're looking at the engine parts, or engines I should say. Is a 283 sitting here, little V6 of some kind, transmission. Here's a NASCAR motor. It's 454. It's come out of die-cast kit, actually. I think it's a Shelby something. Magnum PI's Ferrari engine. Yeah, that's been around a while. Magnum PI is long gone. Yeah, this blower motor. I can't remember if it's out of the Nitro Bird or the Don Garlits stuff, or this is the Don Garlits guy. I don't know. Forget. It's a Viper motor. Some Ford engines here. Take a look at the top part here, where we have various pieces of stuff. I just keep some decals in there. It's a V6 engine, probably S10-ish stuff. Radiators, exhaust stuff, transmission, and other little parts, and then just glass stuff. Yeah. Are you staying with me? We got a whole thing of, looking at that here. I adjusted this camera. I thought this would work out just very, very well. There's nothing in them two at all. I'm going to adjust the camera here a little bit. There we go. Alright, so we got steering wheels, extra little parts. This is from that Nitro Bird, you know, she was orange back in the day. And yeah. Firebird, Nitro Bird, something like that. Engine stands, some slicks, stuff. And then this is mostly tires down here. Are we still getting this? Yeah. Get in here. Tires, stuff I pick up from die-cast. This I ordered from Great Hobbies there just the other day. Get a little closer look at that. Yeah. They're 15 or 14 inch. I think they're 14 inch. Anyway, they're going on car that does take that size of tire. I don't know yet which one, but you know, I want to complete the order so I can get free delivery, right? So order a little more. And then we got rims and stuff down here, extra exhaust parts and engine parts, and more rims and stuff. So that's in the yellow box. Now I have some tires around here, and I'm going to adjust the camera again. That way there we're a little closer to everything. Oh boy, are we close now, aren't we? Yeah. So them orange rim tires, they come from a die cast. Got some slicks there, and I think that's all that's in that box. There used to be nice tires in there. I gave them away. In this box here, I got a Dodge concept car I took apart. Got wheels and different body pieces. My 67 Pontiac GTO recently done, and the extra pieces in there. A lot of chrome parts in this box. Just extra chromey stuff, right? You dig through it, you find it, might be able to use it. Another Tupperware container, mostly of tires, I guess. Just a few. I got from oh, I didn't use that for Chevrolet 71 Camaro, or 70 Camaro and a half. That there guy. Yeah, I was gonna do. Yeah, okay. Yeah, some good extra stuff in there. Decals, I just keep extra decals. You know, when I need them, I'll use them. Very much type person that's going to dig through my parts and everything before I go order anything online. And as you see, the extra tires there from Great Hobbies, but that's a rarity. It's from the Pinto, I believe. Chev 454 racing parts. 51 Chev parts that are extra. This would be 429 engine from the Nova. Different things. This comes out, but there's a 57 T-Bird one time, and I did the, convertible top, and I, kind of did with the masking tape on it and stuff. Yeah, it's a long time ago I did that. Yeah, and then Scooby-Doo tires in case, you never know. Alright, so that's out of that box. I got 2 more boxes here. One full of parts, the other is not. 62 Pontiac I did years ago. Extra parts for that. Mostly customized or racing parts. This is from the 69 Nova. Customized racing parts left in that. I've took some out, for different model kits during the day. I believe that's Magnum. Yeah. This is from that 57 T-Bird too. I did the top here. Was the top of it. Actually, paint turned out great. Glass terrible, but the paint really good at the time. Other different body parts mostly. Are we looking in here? Yeah. I did a police Impala one time, but I didn't do the police part because I owned the Impala and I wanted to make it like my car. I did. And I gave it away. And this here is just sprues to make different things. You might need a little bit of this or a little bit of that. I keep that stuff. Just, a box of it. I don't overload myself with it. But that is my parts that I keep around. So, short little video, I guess. I hope it's short. I hope it's entertaining. I hope it's something you want to see. I definitely like seeing, your parts hanging around there and stuff like that, because usually parts of old kits are out there. And, like my Nitro Bird parts here and there, and different other engines from other stuff I did back in the late 70s, early 80s. Anything before the late 70s, I think that's pretty well gone. I don't think I have anything before that, because there was a clean out about 79, 80, and then I started building up model kits again. And then there was a clean out in 83, and then building up again. So, all right. So, everybody, thanks a lot. Take care. Till next time. Later.